This month's Friday team.
Yo, it's a team thing, eh? Like that, man's from the 6, like.
Hey guys, what's up? It's David.
It's Aaron.
And we are Artists.
Is that a thing now, finger guns?
Welcome to Friday, where we talk about relationships. This month's theme is about how to stop being single. Starting with this week's tip, being you.
Oh, just a tip.
Be genuine in who you are and do the things in your life that you already enjoy doing.
You just gotta be yourself. Let me give you an example. Do you see Goku ever trying to be Kobe Bryant? No.
And you're gonna meet people along the way with similar interests who you're gonna connect with. For example, if you're a nerd and you like reading books or going to an internet cafe to play them League of Legends, you are most likely going to meet somebody there who is going to have the same interest as you.
Goku's doing himself. Goku's going out there, fighting all the villains, and being himself. He loves eating that rice. He's not afraid to show it. That's what you gotta do. You gotta be who you are, and you gotta be confident in who you are. Otherwise, you end up trying to be something you're not.
Don't feel like you have to go to the gym to meet a hot gym type lady, because if that's not you and you're not somebody who does that or works out or whatever, it's gonna come across as ingenuine and it's not fair to her, and it's not gonna work out for you because you're gonna have to keep up that facade. If you're the type of person who likes going to your local cafe to draw or write, or maybe you like books and you go to the library, well, guess what? Chances are there's gonna be a nice lady there who, surprise, is also into those kind of things, and you're gonna have a way better chance of connecting with that person than if you went to the gym because you thought that that's where you met women, or you went to the bar because that's where you thought you'd have the best chance. Because really, if you're not the type of person to do those things or go to those places, that's gonna come off as ingenuine, and then she's not gonna buy it, and it's not gonna work out for either of you. It's just a waste of time.
Great tip. Love and be confident in who you are. Otherwise, like, there's no point. It's kind of sad, but yeah. Anyways.
So just, you do you. You do you. And I do me better than you do you.